Hello all. IBPS has released the scorecard for IBPS clerk. In this video, I will show you how to check the scorecard for your IBPS clerk exam, preliminary exam. So first you have to go to the Chrome and enter IBPS. It will take you to the official website. Let me show you step by step. IBPS and click on this official website of IBPS. And in this, on the 25th November of 2045, IBPS has released the scorecard for preliminary examination. Click on this. Here, click on scores of online preliminary examination. Here, you have to enter the registration number and date of birth for the password. After entering the registration number and password, enter the captcha. And after entering the captcha, click on login. In this way, you can check your scorecard for online preliminary examination. Thanks for watching the video. Do subscribe to my channel.